Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Men plus knee plus apple plus his. Men, knee, apple, his. Minneapolis. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show, the start of a great week, we hope. Under our new rules, of course, our champions get to go to the winner's circle every time they win a game. And we have yet to give away a car. It may happen today. Let's meet our contestants. We have on my right, Judy Snyder. Welcome back, Judy.
Thank you.
Under the new rules, I want to mention for our viewers who may be joining us for the first time that now our players are going to be with us until they either win a car or lose 2 games. And Judy has already lost a game. That's why this X is on in front of her. And the same is true for this gentleman, Mark Gilson. Welcome back, Mark.
Thank you, Alex.
Each of our players has won some prizes. How do you feel today?
I feel great.
How many years have you been in the Air Force?
20 years.
20. You going to give it up now, or are you going to stay for a few more?
Well, I think undecided.
You can put in about, what, 5, 6 more years?
Yes, at least. I can go till 28 years right now.
28 years. All righty. Good luck to you today, and good luck to you, Judy.
Thank you.
Let's go to work. We'll show our players and the folks at home who like to play along one of the prizes in Game 1.
Cultivate your sweet tooth while you indulge yourself in a childhood fantasy with this prize of ice cream each week for a year. Alex.
How am I supposed to get any with Pokey's nose all over the stuff I was going to eat? Judy and Mark will show you where you can find this prize. Ice cream for a year. Number 9, remember where you saw it. We also have in this first game a cash pot in which there's $600 and a holiday in San Juan.
Puerto Rico.
That's right. Mark knows. He said San Juan, Puerto Rico, so we'll let him pick first. Also because he happens to be in this chair. Go, Mark.
Start with 11, Alex.
11, 1, diamond and topaz earrings. You like jewelry for your wife, I know.
I do. She likes it for herself. Number 13.
Dining set, no match. Judy.
Number 23.
23, there's your number. Chinese wok set.
And number 7.
Lucky 7, the White Sands of San Juan. No match. Mark.
Number 5, Alex. And number 16.
Red take and a red take match. Naturally done. There are 3 wild cards on the board, and Mark didn't need any of them. Here you go. Open it up.
Robinson Crusoe.
Is it Robinson Crusoe? He's one of your heroes, I know. Pick again.
Number 1.
Green take.
Now let's go to number 20.
Ice cream for a year. There you go, Judy.
Number 9, please.
9 for the ice cream.
And number 20.
Number 20 for the ice cream. Well done. By the way, just in case there was any confusion in your mind, Marjorie's dog, Pokey, is not part of the prize package. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Open these 2 panels for Judy Snyder. Pick again, Judy.
How about number 10?
Wild card.
Okay. And number 17?
The White
Yes,
Sands
I
of
knew
San
it.
Juan,
Okay.
Puerto Rico.
Great.
The other White Sands of Puerto Rico are at number 7. That prize goes up here. It has not escaped anyone's observation. I'm sure that Mark has the red take in front of him, but for the moment,
He does, but...
Judy will take a look at this expanded puzzle as 3 panels swing open. Select again, please.
All right, number 1, please.
Green
Green
take.
take again, which we have seen at the same spot. And number 4.
Diamond and topaz earrings. No match for the
There you
lady.
go, Mark.
Let's try number 11, Alex.
Yes.
Earrings.
And number 4 for the match.
Number 4 is right. Big decision for you here, Mark. You've got the tape. It's sort of early in the game. I don't think you'll be able to solve it with these two panels open. However, you know, a bird in hand, she's got that great prize, the ice cream for a year up there.
I don't need ice cream for a year.
How about the white sands of San Juan?
That I could use, but I'm going to save it, Alex.
Okay.
I'm going to hold on.
Open these two panels for him. Go again.
Number 23.
Chinese wok set.
Number 19.
China dinnerware.
Which we have not seen.
Almost had us going there, right, Judy?
We certainly did. Number 15, please.
Dining set.
And number 3?
Is it? No, that's the men's swimwear collection.
Let's go down in the corner to 21.
Chinese wok set.
And 23.
Chinese wok set.
Okay.
2 more panels opening up on that bottom line for you, Mark. What do you want to do with the tape?
I think I'm going to grab a hold of San Juan.
I knew it.
And do what to San Juan?
Hopefully go there.
All right. You'll go there, of course, if you solve the puzzle right now. Pick again.
Number 8.
There's another wild card.
I'd like to see what's under number 6.
China dinnerware. We did see that a few moments ago, number 19. So 3 more panels are going to swing open for your benefit, Mark. Pick again.
Number 2.
Another wild card. Boy. You're going to break Judy's heart because I think she can solve this puzzle. She gave one of those deep breaths. She had one of those deep breaths a moment ago that usually indicates, hey, I can solve it. Make a mistake.
Let's see what's under 14.
14 is the green tape. The other one, number 1.
Yeah.
3 panels going to open up. You want to grab the ice? You want to grab her ice cream?
Sure.
No, I'll leave her the ice cream.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, man is on a diet. Open these 3 panels for Mark.
None of your beeswax.
Judy starts to applaud because she thinks you're right. None of your beeswax.
Very good. Very good.
And Mark gets it.
Very good, Mark.
Came to you in the nick of time. Yeah, Judy had it a few moments ago. Let's go to the board.
We have a none and the 2 light bulbs off, one black one being off. Y and the or is your. And we've got bees and wax. None of your beeswax.
The W and the X. None of your beeswax. Well done. Judy, this was the 2nd strike against you, and that means we do have to say goodbye. However, on our last show, you won that holiday to Maui and other prizes totaling close to $3,700. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're a great player. Take care. So long, Judy.
Good luck, Judy.
All right, Mark. Gene's got to do his work now by telling you all about your prizes. Go, Gene.
A Chinese wok set and a China dinnerware. Bernardo Limoges 4 place settings of Artois dinnerware. Elegant china enhanced by traditional design, interpreted for today's lifestyle. Furnished by Bernardo Limoges. And diamond topaz earrings. Part of K Jewelers' classic collection, sparkling with 12 diamonds crafted in 14-karat gold. These blue topaz earrings may make a dazzling fashion statement. Furnished by K Jewelers. And the White Sands of San Juan. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Condado Plaza Hotel and Casino, oceanfront center of Caribbean romance and excitement. Restaurants, entertainment, disco, tennis, water sports, and 4 pools, minutes from Old San Juan. Furnished by the Condado Plaza. And these prizes total a hefty number, $4,873.
Good win, and it's interesting. While Gene was telling you about your prizes, I was looking in the audience at your wife, and she didn't react over the jewelry. She didn't react until the San Juan vacation came up. Then her face just sort of lit up. I know she's going to react in a most positive manner also if you win a brand new car. And we'll put you to that test after this break. Very important women in Mark's life sitting in our audience today. Your wife, whose name is?
Diane.
And the lady next to her is your mother, Marie. Hey, that's it. Marie waves. She wants her son to win a brand new car. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. 15 numbered squares up there for you, Mark. And your personal clock, which is now up to 45 seconds. Good luck.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
1, 6.
Right.
7, 9.
Nope.
10, 12.
Nope.
13, 15.
Yes.
11, 8.
Nope.
7, 5.
No.
2, 12.
No.
8, 4.
No.
4, 10.
No.
11, 4.
Yes.
2, 9.
Yes.
5.
You started to roll there. You started off like the Lakers a few months ago. Very strong, then you faltered, and then you just started to build again, but time ran out. But that's okay. You have $15,016 in prize winning. And you're going to play again. Good. And we'll have a new opponent for you right after this commercial message. A newcomer to introduce to all of you into our program. The lovely lady on my right is Leanna McKinney. Hello, Leanna.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Kansas City, Missouri, and I reside in Orange County, and I like to collect antique earrings in my spare time.
Antique earrings. So you're into jewelry. Oh, that's pretty. Are those antique?
Uh-huh.
We don't have antique jewelry on our program as prizes. We have a lot of brand new jewelry. Good
I like
stuff.
those.
You like those? Well, I hope you like this. This is one of the fun prizes in this second game.
Oh.
For fun and togetherness, a bicycle built for two. This 5-speed Derailleur tandem with reinforced tubular frame has front caliber handbrakes and rear drum brake, furnished by Columbia Manufacturing Company. Alex.
No, Mark. One Marjorie is enough. Don't give me two, please. Not two. Let's show Liana and Mark where we will find the tandem bike at number 16. And only one wild card in this game, Liana. You get to pick first. We also have a vacation in Washington, D.C. Off you go. Two selections.
I'd like to find that trip to Washington, D.C. under number 7, please.
Vanity set.
And the match or wild card behind number 19.
Washington, D.C. No match. Mark.
I'd like to return to Washington, D.C. Let's try number 5. And
Isn't
the opposite
her gym
corner,
membership?
number 21.
21, you think it's there? Nope. Diamond pin. Liana, who likes jewelry.
Okay. I'll look for a wild card under number 6, please.
Tandem bicycle.
And the match behind number 16.
You are correct, and that is the first match of this game. And you have just earned a look at the puzzle. Take a look. Select again.
Okay. Let's see what's under number 5, please.
Isn't her
We
gym
saw
membership?
that already. Let's look for a match or a wild card under number 23.
Oak shelving system. No match. Mark.
Number 15.
Color TV.
And number 8.
Red take. Not a match. Liana.
Okay, let's see what's under number 20, please.
Shower massager.
Okay, and let's maybe a match or a wild card under number 2.
Green take. No match. Mark.
Let's try number 22.
Color TV.
And number 15.
15 is a match.
Okay.
For Color TV. First prize in your column, Mark, and you get a look at this puzzle. We're just kind of flirting with the edges of this thing. Nothing really important showing yet. Pick again.
Number 7.
Vanity set.
19.
No, that's Washington. Liana?
I'm going to try right below number 19, 24.
24.
Okay,
She said
and
right
19.
below. And 19. No, that's a mistake on your
Yeah.
part, as you know. Mark, back to you.
Number 17.
Green take.
2,
Yes, there's the green tape for you. Bicycle built for two.
I think I'll save it for a while.
Thought you might. Open it up for him. Everybody in the audience is yelling, take it, except for your wife. She's shaking her head. No way. No way am I getting on that bicycle with you, Mark.
Always
Pick
do
again.
what my wife says.
Good man.
Number 9.
Number 9 is his and her gym membership.
Number 11.
Nope. That's the diamond pin, but Leanna's going to make a match.
I'll see what's under number 5.
That's the membership.
And the match under number 9.
You're right. That's a prize for you. Another look at the puzzle. Check it out. Make another match, Leanna.
Okay, number 11. And the match under number 21.
Diamond pin. Lady likes jewelry, remember. 2 more panels opening up.
Okay.
Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 13, please.
Red take.
And did we see that under number 25?
No, that's a sleeper sofa.
No.
Mark.
Number 20.
Shower massager.
Number 18.
No, the sleeper sofa. Leanna.
Set you up, Leon.
I'll take number 25. And the match under number 18.
There's a match for the sleeper sofa. That gives you 4 prizes, Leanna.
Okay.
Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 12, please.
Shower massager.
And the match under number 20.
You're right. If you solve this puzzle, it's goodbye to Mark because he's already lost the game. He's got 1 strike against him. Leanna, what can you do with this? Keep going.
Let's see what's under number 3, please.
Wild card, there it is.
And I'll take the trip to Washington, D.C. under 19.
19 for Washington. Where's the other Washington holiday? At number 10. 3 panels opening up for Ms. McKinney. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use this, Mark. Hands on your signaling buttons. Ring in when you think you can solve it. We'll start with number 4. 1, 4, 7, 8, 13, 14, 23, 24. Popular place in America for tourists. Leanna McKinney.
Is it Atlantic City?
Is it Atlantic City? Yes, it is. That's what I like, a happy winner. Let's go to the board. Come on. Come on, Leanna. Explain it.
Okay. There's the hat and the L and the ant and the hick for Atlantic and the with the T, city. Atlantic City.
Have you ever been there?
No!
You've never been to Atlantic City, but you're going to Washington. Right now, we've got to say goodbye to Mark, but he's got 2 strikes against him, but he's got $15,016 in prize money. Congratulations.
Thank you, Alex.
Enjoy the vacation. So long, Mark. All right, Leanna, now let's hear about your winnings and your trip.
A shower massager, a diamond pin, and a sleeper sofa. The Lazy Boy Signature 2 Sleep Sofa with deluxe inner spring mattress featuring a wide variety of fabrics suitable for any decor. Enjoy elegance by day and comfort by night, furnished by Lazy Boy. And a his or her gym membership. Gold's Gym, a choice of his or her famous sportswear, footwear, nutritional supplements, and membership certificate to help keep you healthy, trim, and in style. Furnished by Gold's Gym and Washington, D.C. We'll fly you on a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Washington, D.C. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding. And while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 7 exciting days in Washington, D.C., close to downtown historical and cultural sites. Swimming, jogging, sauna, 4 restaurants, all available at the beautiful Sheraton Washington Hotel. And, of course, the sporty tandem bike, a prize package totaling $5,678.
Big win, man. All right, break time for us. We'll come back and see if she can win a car after this. Anna's already taken 2 or 3 deep breaths, so she's ready. 15 numbered squares, base time on the clock for you, 35 seconds. Go to work. Good luck.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 3,
Yes.
8, 2.
Yes.
9, 1.
No.
10, 11.
No.
5, 12.
No.
1, 12.
Right.
6, 11.
Yes.
13, 14.
No.
5, 14.
Right.
15, 13.
Came close. You came close. One more to go. You may get another shot at this. You did well. You got $5,678 in prizes in that game, and you're going to come back on our next show. Break time after we hear from Jim.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you tomorrow. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.